first question that we're going to be completing today is 75 take away 13. So first of all, don't forget your tens and ones. Then 75 take away 13. You always start with the ones column. 5 take away 3 is 2. And 7 take away 1 is 6. So your answer is 62. Number 2. We have got our tens and our ones. And our question is 98 subtract 49. Now the first part of the question, you have got 8 take away 9. You can't do this. So what you need to do is you need to knock on your neighbour's door. Hello tens, please can I borrow 1 10 from you? So you do 9 tens, take away 1 10. 8 tens, and your 1 10 goes over to your ones columns. So you now have 18, take away 9. 9 in your head, count on until you get to 18. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 9 ones. 8 take away 4 is 4. So your answer is 49.